I'm the eldest son of my father. I'm profoundly very grateful for Justice Kazim and Loba, the Honorable Chief Justice of Lagos State, for honoring my dad in this special section. Most of us may not really know this. Law, the noble profession, was not really my dad's first professional passion. In secondary school, mathematics excited him so much that he really dreamt of really a career as a mathematician. When my uncle, our family benefactor, heard of his exceptional When my uncle, our family benefactor, heard of his exceptional grades on his high school exams, he asked him to prepare to go abroad for further studies. When asked what he wanted to study, he of course said mathematics. Uncle Mike laughed and told him that nobody uses his money to go abroad, to go to London to study maths. You must study medicine or law and nothing else. Since Uncle Mike's words were really final and could not be challenged, my dad chose law and never looked back. So at times, these days I shudder to think of the loss that would have resulted if he was allowed to pursue his initial passion. As we all come together to celebrate his life, my family and I will take comfort in the heartfelt outpouring of tributes. It is really a testament to his impactful life, that so many people think so much of him. Daddy's exceptional life of consequence was a gift to us all and will continue to guide us. On behalf of our family, I want to especially also thank one of Daddy's best friends, Chief EMEKA. During these very difficult times, I've called him a couple of times and been really a source of wisdom and support. So thank you very much, sir. On behalf of the family, I want to thank everybody, both members of the inner bar and also the other side of the bar, for coming in to celebrate my dad. My Lord, the Chief Justice, Honorable Justice, thank you so very much. We appreciate you very much. Thanks a lot.